and welcome to another DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you how to collect rainwater with almost pretty much no budget. Here we go. The first thing that you're going to need is a PVC pipe that you're going to cut in half. This will form the gutter without actually having to need to buy a gutter, since a gutter comes with its own price. And the PVC pipe is a whole lot more cheaper than buying a gutter. Now that you've got your two halves, you're going to do markings on each of the halves. You're going to do 4 markings, 2 on the one side, 2 on the other end, and these are the ends that you're going to use to push through the wire so you can hook it onto the wood. Alternatively, you can just drill and put in a screw that goes through the PVC pipe hole onto the wood. You don't have to mount it up with wire, but I have to do this because it's a corner. It's the corner of the roof, that's why I'm unable to just drill it in. I'm going to be measuring wire that I'm going to use to mount the PVC halves onto the roof, and I'm going to push through the wire through the PVC, and I'm also going to drill holes in the wood. So I'm going to take the wire, push it through the PVC pipe, then afterwards I'm going to push it through the holes that I'm going to drill onto the wood that holds up the roof, and that's how I'm going to be mounting the PVC pipes. And where I'm going to be mounting it is where the water is going to land into the PVC pipe and out. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers by subscribing and also hit that notification bell. Thank you. pipes onto the wooden trusses that support the roof, and now that's pretty much done. All now I need to do is wait for it to rain, and the water will be able to run through the PVC half and down into the bucket where I'm going to be collecting it.
Do subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. See you soon!